I put a ratchet strap back there and I pull the exhaust back as much as I can. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it. Whoa, I'm still falling. Alright guys, so down here, the only trick that I use, once you take the clamp out, you hit it on the side of it. Right here with the weld is, just to shock it so it separates. Downpipe goes in here and up there, right? And then there's two 11 mil nuts that bolts on to the side of the trans, this bracket over here that holds it in place, and that's basically the only thing that holds it in place. And you have to take the splash panel underneath, just the metal one, take the side ones out because it goes connected to the middle splash panel, take that out of the way just to make more room, and you don't have to drop the exhaust. So what I do is before I take the downpipes out, right, with the downpipes all the way in here still, I slide everything back, the whole exhaust back. I put a ratchet strap back there and I pull the exhaust back as much as I can, right, with the strap. And after it's out of the bracket, after it's out of the bracket here, after it's all the way back and out, I move it to the side and I push it forward, and then that's when I take it out of the exhaust. So this way you have enough room to just move it out of the way without dropping the exhaust, because dropping the exhaust is just, it might not look like a lot of work, but it is. All those crossbars have to come out, a bunch of panels in the back, and it's just a hassle. There's a lot to take out than drop the exhaust. So this is, I found this easier for me. So if you guys want to use that tip, you do. If you want to drop the exhaust, you drop the exhaust, whatever is easier for you. All right, so this is basically it. So now I have the downpipes out. I'm gonna go back with the cat slap. Alright guys, so this thing's done. I'm gonna start it up and show you guys what it sounds like with the stock cats back in. And this was the owner. He sold it to somebody else, and you know, he couldn't handle all the power, right? That's why I put the stock cats back in.
I know where's stuck out.
He's got skinny arms, can't hold that beast. Go fire it up. Give it a couple revs. So that's what it sounds like with the stock tune in and with the stock cats downpipes. Again guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.